Okay, I thought I'd do one more video kind of showing what's going on. As you can see, SDI or number 1, 2, and 3 are highlighted. And if I go over here, you can see SDI 1, 3 is flashing along with DVI 1.5. And like you said, it's because, well, DVI 1 over 5, we don't have a DVI connected, so that's probably why that's flashing. But this, the SDI 1 over 3, why that's flashing, I don't know, because we definitely do have something, but eventually it'll stop flashing. So what I'll do, just to eliminate it, is I'll just upload my preset setting. So as you can see, I have a saved one. Preset 1 is saved. I'm going to load that. It's going to go back to normal. Well, at least it should. Okay, so now, as you can see, SDI over 3 is flashing. So SDI 1. So that's SDI is going directly to our Blackmagic ATEM 4K switcher. Okay, and let me just see what we have on the LED wall. Nothing. So just to give you an idea of how we're set up, we're coming out of this iMac here with a USB-C to HDMI. We're going out the HDMI, coming down into this Crestron NVX 351 into HDMI input 1. Okay. Then I'm going HDMI output, and that is going to the input of number 1 in the Novastar unit. Okay, now if you can see that SDI 1, that's going directly to our Blackmagic video switcher right here, and that is plugged in to this input here, right? This guy right here. So that is an auxiliary input. So I don't have anything, but when I bypass that SDI, and so I don't know if this is bypassing, but here's what I did. Okay, right now we have nothing on the LED wall. But if I hit, right now we have Win 1 highlighted on the control right here. So if I hit, let's see, window 3, that goes to window 3, where are we? Window 3 slate. It asked me if I want to enable that. So now I got Windows 3 enabled, and then I get my screen, which is that screen right there. It's just smaller. As you can see, it's got just the top of that rock. So, because it's 1280 by 384, or I think that's the native resolution. Anyhow, so we got things working now. I got an image, but I have these flashing lights still, like Win 3. I don't know if that's, it says Win 3. It's got a stop button on it right here. I don't know why. Okay, so now, oh, okay, it just stopped. Okay, but now you can see 1 and 3 are highlighted. Okay, so, but that's, you know, I got that window. So maybe what I need to do is hit Win 1, and I'm gonna just try this. I'm gonna try disabling this Windows 1 state. Disabled. Okay, let's see what happens. And go out of that. So yeah, there it goes. So now it disabled SDI 1 here. I got HDMI 1 here, so that's what that was doing. So that's enabled. Now Windows, okay, so that's what that is. Okay. Now SDI 1, so now I shouldn't have the Blackmagic switcher engaged at all. But that's still an issue though. Why am I getting that green screen when I go to SDI? It'll show the image for this computer. Well, actually it'll show the a different image, you know, the second screen image for this computer when I go to that. And then, you know, 15, 20 minutes, it'll stop. Like, and sometimes it doesn't even do that. It'll just go green. So let's try that now. Let's see, let's enable it. Okay, so I'm gonna hit when one. I'm gonna enable that. Okay, so that's enabled. Escape. Okay, so I got that back, that's enabled. I'm not getting anything, I'm not getting green. Let me try something here. That didn't do anything. Aux. That didn't do anything. But auxiliary, that's not doing anything. So it's not showing anything. So, but I would bet that at some point it'll show some green, you know, and then it'll flash green. So I'm gonna disable that particular SDI 1, but I shouldn't have to. I should be able to use that video switcher when I need to. So that's what I don't understand. So I'm gonna hit when one, disable. I don't know if you can see this or not. So I'm disabling it. I'm gonna hit OK, escape. Okay, so that disabled it. Now I'm on HDMI 1, which now I just gotta scale it somehow, get that to the correct size, and just work with that for now. But I mean, that's just a Band-Aid. I should be able to use my video switcher. You know, if I wanted to use the video for our video camera, for instance, I should be able to use that. So you've seen how I've got this hooked up. I know that it's not the Crestron unit because I tested that. I totally bypassed it. I did the same thing. It's in it now. And I definitely want to use that Crestron to show to one of our other buildings if I wanted to show something here from another building, because we have Crestron units throughout the building, the other building. So anyhow, hopefully that helps, you know, with what we're doing. So, all right, I'll talk to you later.